Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ako po ay nagagalak, partikular lalo na sa mga taga-Lungsod ng Maynila. Si Ambassador po, nagkausap kami a few months ago, and during the course of our conversation, and I said and personally requested na kung pwede ma-experience naman ng mga taga-Lungsod ng Maynila sa kasalukuyan ng makapanood ng Russian Ballet. Kaya, Mr. Ambassador, Your Excellency, thank you very much. Minister of Government of Moscow, Mr. Sergei Cherny, and to the delegates, all of you here, we would like to again, just like I have said this morning, welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Sa mga batang Maynila na nandito, ay excited po ako sa inyo. Katulad po ng ating national artist, Miss Alice Reyes, na maging inspirasyon ito sa ating lahat na maging pamantayan ng dekalidad na skills, talents for us to showcase also. Maybe someday we'll bring them to Moscow, Your Excellency. Why not? At also, gusto ko lang bigyan ng diin ay yung aming partner sa national government. To the NCCA family, thank you very much. Hindi namin may sasakatuparan ko na wala kayo. Kaya we owe it also to you, Dr. Cerudo and your team. And I guarantee you, by next year, I have more good things. Or good things will come to Metropolitan Theater. Lalo na sa mga future show nyo. Hindi na kayo mahirapan. Dahil may available kaming gagawin para sa inyo. And I will share it to you by November. So muli, mga batang Maynila, to our foreign guests, pasensya na kayo. I'm sorry, my English is always good only for 5 minutes. After that finish or not finish, we pass our paper to our teacher. But we are really honored, kidding aside, and we're very happy and excited about this year. Magandang gabi, pagpalain nawa kayo ng Pong May Kapal. Enjoy!